As we begin our celebrations to welcome the new year of 2012, I would like to extend warm holiday greetings on behalf of the President and the people of the United States of America. On December 25, 2011, the United States and the Kyrgyz Republic celebrated 20 years of bilateral relations. It is my great honor to serve as the ambassador of the United States of America to the Kyrgyz Republic at this historic time. Together, I hope that we can look forward to many more years of friendship and cooperation. As 2011 draws to a close, we can celebrate many accomplishments, but especially the peaceful transfer of power between presidents here in the Kyrgyz Republic. This and the election demonstrated your commitment to shared values of democracy and stability. It is a tremendous accomplishment, and the United States remains supportive of your efforts to improve governance and respect for the rights of all citizens of the Kyrgyz Republic. Across America, families are making preparations for celebrations to welcome the new year, just as I have seen here in the Kyrgyz Republic. We will wish each other health and happiness, and will be reminded of the values that unite us. So from our families to yours, I wish you a peaceful new year. Happy New Year. Żądam, żelenge z Darmenin, z Nowym Godem.